What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be doing some runs and getting some people's opinion on their cars. First run we're doing with the Camaro. Right here, you guys remember Anthony? Here's our guest appearance. She's going to let you guys know pretty much what she thinks about these cars. She's going to run the Camaro, the HELLCAT, and then we're going to stick her in both of the Denali's.
Bolts up.
And I'm editing that out. And she's going to let us know also on ride quality and what she thinks. And this guy thinks he's got the fastest car in the world. It's here. He says it's got a big block in it. Whoa! Whoa!
Sounds better than I thought it would sound.
There they go.
Good to, well, maybe, I don't know. Should you
Ryan is going to be communicating.
Hey, safety manager.
Ryan is the safety manager. He's going to be communicating with the driver and the passenger. I think it's one of the lighter ones. Okay.
Pretty fun. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. I love the feeling of being like pushed back in my seat like that. I should learn what that's called. Slippery in a few spots. And yeah, I do love the way it sounds.
Okay. Ryan, I'm gonna have to stop talking. Thank you, Ryan. Much appreciated, D-Max Rhino. If you guys forgot, you know, it's D-Max Rhino. So,
they're ignoring, but they heard.
can I film my video? I'm trying to talk over here. So now that Ryan's done talking, we got her here in the HELLCAT now, and we're gonna get her opinion, pretty much on power. Same thing, power, drivability, smooth. If she thinks it's smooth, rough. What do you think as of right now?
Interior's not as cute.
Okay, so doesn't like the interior. Interior's kind of plain, basic, you would
Worth
say.
mentioning.
Okay. So in case you guys are wondering, she's not a interior fan of the HELLCAT.
It's just a lot smoother.
Yeah.
Really smooth. What's that whistle?
That's a supercharger.
Okay.
Yeah, so this comes stock with a supercharger.
Got it.
What do you think about that run compared to the Camaro?
I feel like it didn't have as much power.
Not as much pull.
Not as much pull. Yeah, like I wasn't pushed back in my seat as much as I was with that one.
Okay. We're gonna get it pull a little harder, you tell me. How about that one?
Yeah, it was there.
Okay, so
Okay.
I went easy on her the first one, guys. You can tell she told me it didn't pull as hard.
And then it pulled hard.
Then it pulled much harder.
We got there.
So we're gonna do a ride comparison also with the trucks, me and Ryan. Ryan had a good idea. Oh wait, is that Chris's idea?
No, you got it right. No. Ryan had a good idea.
Okay, so that was Chris's idea originally. I'm gonna have to, you know, believe Chris on this one. So we're gonna do a ride comparison, set up some stuff. We're gonna see pretty much how my truck runs and feels and drives compared to Ryan's stock truck for now. You know, we gotta let you know it's just stock for now. And if you guys want to watch that video also, go to Ryan's link, D-Max Rhino. Click on that link and you'll be able to see it.
You came up with the bumpy thing.
Thank you.
Right. Hey.
Teamwork.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Say you're sorry. Come here. I'm sorry. So guys, this is what happens when Chris, I gotta give it to him, had an idea. If you guys need a gardener, you guys remember D-Max Rhino?
Orale.
That's his, you guys know how he's a diehard
Milwaukee
fan, right? What kind of Milwaukee you got there?
Well, I've got the Milwaukee/Binford M3200 blower.
Nice.
Eddie's cheap and only buys the 5.0 batteries.
I got the 9.0s in there, it's just too heavy.
Hey, handle your interview, bro. Gosh. I'm doing your yard work.
Okay guys, so we are here with Cant. You guys saw her earlier from my video, and she will be in Ryan's video also. So today we gave her a ride in the HELLCAT and in the CAMARO. Let's start off with drive-wise, smoothness-wise. What do you think when you drove in the HELLCAT compared to the CAMARO? What was a smoother ride, more comforting ride?
The HELLCAT was smoother. I'm sorry. It shifted a lot smoother. It wasn't as jerky.
Okay, so obviously it's a big four-door sedan. You know, it's going to be a little smoother, and shifting-wise, you know, mine is an automatic, his is a manual. So obviously it's going to be a little different. Now, what would you say? Sorry guys, we get a breeze up here. Whew. All right.
God, should really shut the door.
I know.
So
Can you close that door? Thank you, thank you.
Does your hair always just wave like that randomly?
Random times, it just, the wind hits me.
So, now let's talk power-wise. Which car do you feel had more, you know, pull, more torque? What stuck you, you know, in your seat?
I gotta go with the CAMARO. It really pushed me back harder, more pull than
The
the
HELLCAT.
HELLCAT.
Okay, all right.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't think I got the RPMs up high enough. I tried to be nice to her, you know, but all right. We're gonna have to redo this video, I think. So she thinks that CAMARO pulls harder. And again, you know, just a reminder, guys, that CAMARO is not stock. He's got cams, he's got headers, it's on E85, so he doesn't have it tuned. It's not a slow CAMARO at all. It does have some serious ponies behind it. What do you think was, you know, by sound-wise, what do you think sounded better? What did you like? Did you like more of the HELLCAT sound, or did you like more of the CAMARO sound?
I liked the CAMARO sound more. It was throatier. The HELLCAT sounded a little electronic to me.
Electronic. My 6.2 liter supercharged American muscle car sounds electronic to her.
Sounds like a Prius. Huh?
Well, I wouldn't say a Prius.
Well, now when you mean by electronic, what was there something that you were hearing?
I didn't feel like I was really listening to like a rumbling engine the way I did with the
So
CAMARO.
you must be talking about the whistling noise.
That in addition to...
Okay, so I think she's thrown off by the sound of the supercharger. So I put the cold air intake on it so I can hear the supercharger, because when I put the exhaust, I pretty much lost the sound of the supercharger. So you're talking about that whistling noise.
Yes.
Okay. So she doesn't like the whistle, guys, obviously. So if you guys are trying to impress her, don't drive a supercharged car, because she clearly doesn't like it. What did you think about cabin noise, you know, being in the car?
The HELLCAT was a lot quieter.
The HELLCAT was quieter inside. Okay. And what did you think about overall leg room? You know, just the seats, interior-wise.
Comfort.
I gotta go CAMARO for the looks of the interior.
You like the looks
Really,
better?
really well done, yeah.
Okay, all right. So it looks like, guys, here that she's got more love for the CAMARO, clearly. She's I guess, a Camaro girl, but I heard you didn't like Camaros when you pulled them. I think didn't I hear you say that?
Yeah.
So when she first started and came here, she wasn't a big Camaro fan. So now she's feeling the Camaro a little better. If you wanted to take one of these cars home, including the Hellcat, the Camaro, and in Ryan's video, my truck or his truck, out of those 4 vehicles, which one would you want to...
Hold on, I'm doing a guest cameo in this one. You notice Eddie threw his truck into that question because he knew she was not going to pick the Hellcat.
The Hellcat.
I'm just going to throw that in there. All right. I noticed he did that. All right, I'm out.
This is my video, okay?
And I commend Eddie for his creativity because I got to go his truck all the way.
Yeah!
I thought this was about the Camaro and the Hellcat.
It is, but...
Always finds a way to win.
I gave her 4 options. I just wanted to give her some more options.
You ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
Exactly. All right, guys, so that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and she's going to end it for us. Go ahead.
Roll the outro.
No, that's Ryan.
That's right.
What do we do?
Okay, well, she tried, guys, so, thank you for watching, and again, if you want to see more of her, comment down below if you guys want to see her again in more of our videos. And guys, also, don't forget to watch Ryan's video of her in my truck and Ryan's truck. His description will be right over here somewhere. And, down there. Right down there. It's going to be down there. Ryan will put it down there in the description. And don't forget to give her a follow on Instagram. What's your Instagram name?
@Kahtii, Kahtii.
We will put her Instagram down in the description for you guys to give her a follow. And her YouTube channel is coming up here soon. It's not out yet, but it's going to be here shortly. So thank you guys for watching. And here comes Ryan.
I've cleaned your garage.
Thank you so much.
Ryan blew ash all over us.
I'm sorry.
That is so funny.
All right.
So
That was great.
So there's a giant ashtray right there. I didn't realize.
That was great.
My bad, guys.